Evidence tells us that for lower limb amputees, they require significantly higher levels of energy consumption compared to non-amputated people. And this means that they have to heavily compensate both emotionally and physically to overcome the lack of muscle power and joint control. Adding power to a prosthetic joint can significantly reduce those compensations and in some cases enhance functional outcomes. I'm Richard, a clinical specialist prosthetist with the Össur Academy, and today we're talking about the power knee. The power knee is a motorized, microprocessor controlled prosthetic knee joint that provides active power during flexion and extension, both during swing and stance phase during level ground walking, but provides additional active assistance in activities such as stair and ramp, ascent and descent, as well as lowering into a chair and also rising from a seated position. Let's take a closer look. Here we can see the power knee unit. It comprises of the actuator at the top here. This is where the powerful motor is that generates high levels of controlled torque, and it's supported by this carbon fiber frame in which we have sensors and this battery which can be removed for remote charging and replaced with another battery. It has up to around 25 hours of normal activity use. We have an on-off button here, and by pressing that we bring the power knee into life. It's indicated by a vibration, an audible beeping, and a green light. And also underneath we have a battery level indication light. And we can see what the state of charge of the battery is. And if we connect via the Össur Logic app to the power knee, you see this light turns blue, and we're able to interrogate various features and functions by simply picking the component we want, making simple adjustments on this slider bar, indicated that we've had success in those, and tracking the activity of our device, and then when we want to, simply disconnecting. The power knee provides additional symmetry compared to passive mechanical or microprocessor knees. Better symmetry again means less compensations and less energy expenditure, and more efficient walking style. It also offers greater stability, so over uneven terrain, different grounds and stairs and ramps, providing that active assistance. And then finally, it increases the levels of endurance, saving energy you need for later in the day and not putting additional energy input into regular walking activities where the powered assistance can help. The power knee is available for unilateral hip disarticulation and uni and bilateral transfemoral amputees. Rated up to 116 kilograms in body weight, it's around 2.5 kilos in weight, and is also weatherproof. For more information on this and any other products in our range, please visit us on the usual channels.